I know what you're looking for, but I don't have any for you. What? What a character. You're a crazy character. You're crazy. You're a crazy character. Gerta McGurta. You never stop being silly, do you? Play with me. Gerta McGurta. What? How many coffees did you have this morning? Gerta McGurta. You're crazy. You're crazy girl. Yes, you are. You're crazy girl. No, you're crazy girl. You're crazy girl. You're just a girl. Gertie. Gertie. A girl. Okay. You just woke up the whole neighborhood. Didn't you? Yeah. Bobby's hiding. By the way, the wind. We had such a strong wind the other day. The wind pushed this plastic chair over to this side and actually broke the leg off of it. It was that powerful a wind. Just, I can't handle the wind here. It's just unbelievable. I almost picked you up and sent you away, didn't it, Gerd? Gerd. Okay? Okay, Mommy will get herself something more to drink, and then we'll go for another walk? Yes? You want to go for a walk? I love you so much. You're such a girl. You're beautiful, Gerd. Gertie. I see the little Gertie. I see the beautiful girl. And Bambi is hiding behind her mommy. Bambi's hiding behind her mommy. Yeah, I don't blame you. Okay, we're going to go for another walk.